Thank you for joining me today. This is a continuation video under Berufe in the Pflege, that is professions in nursing. Videos 1 to 5 have been uploaded if you want to know about being a midwife, assistant nurse, special caregiver, home giver. All these have been explained in previous videos. So this is a seventh career path under this area of specialization. Feel free to watch the previous videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to share with family and friends. It can help someone. Today I'll be discussing the HEILERZIEHUNGSPFLEGER. That is a curative education nurse. If you want to become a curative education nurse, then this is a video you want to watch to the end. The duration for this vocational training is 2 to 5 years. You can do it whether full-time or part-time. That's full site and whether full site or the tile site. The type of the training is an accompany. It's a Fachschulberuf, vocational school occupation. It's a Fachschulberuf. It's a vocational school occupation. What do curative education nurses do? Their job description: they accompany and support people with mental, physical, or psychological disabilities of all ages in order to strengthen their abilities and enable them to lead as independent a life as possible. So they motivate people, they care for people, they engage them in leisure activities, and they help them at school. They can decide, okay, we are going swimming, we are going painting, just to promote social behavior. And they also help people that are not in good condition, and people that have personal hygiene or eating or getting dressed or undressed issues. Medically, they help people with organization and administrative aspects as well. They plan and design leisure programs. So that is what they do. They create support plans. They create support plans. They help in leisure programs to make leisure programs available for those that cannot do it personally by themselves. Where do they find employment? Or they can work. They work with people that really need help, that are maybe young or maybe old and need more activities. So they can work in residential areas, they can work in care facilities, and they can work in care facilities for people with disabilities as well. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. In this career path, you need your intermediate education qualification. That's your Bildungsabschluss. Without that, anything lower than that, you are not accepted into this career path. So, or you have completed the vocational training, or you have 7 years of relevant professional activity in this area. Maybe you've worked in a kindergarten, you know what it is to work with small children, or you to work with other people like adults as well. So if you don't have your Bildungsabschluss, anything lower than that, if you have something higher than that, yes, you can be accepted. But anything lower than that, you are not accepted into this career path. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us. If you want more detailed information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. And don't forget, only you can stop you. Don't give up on your careers. The eighth career path under Berufe in the Pflege is Kaufmann/Kauffrau in Gesundheitswesen. That is business person in the healthcare sector. The duration for this is 3 years. If you love business and you want to work in the health sector, then this is a career you want to look into. The duration is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training occupation. What do? They record patient social and health regulations. They provide information and maintain data and calculate services in health insurance companies and other cost sources. They work in the customer service and they acquire customer for health insurance companies. So if you're interested as well to work in the health insurance companies, then this is definitely a career you want to look into as well. They practice finance and accounting and prepare financial statements or keep personal statistics, and they also process administrative policies used by healthcare professionals to plan and organize healthcare. Where do they find employment? They find employment in hospitals as well as in preventive and rehabilitation facilities with health insurance companies and emergency services. They find employment in nursing homes or in outpatient nursing care homes for the elderly. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate to go into this career path. You need your Hochschulreife or your Abschluss, your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss. Without a certificate, you can't get into this career path. So if you don't have a certificate, this is a career you should work towards if you really want. If you don't have a certificate, try to get a certificate before you get into it. But without this certificate, you are not admitted into this vocational training. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The 9th career path is the Pflegefachmann or the Fachfrau, that is a nurse. So if you want to become a nurse in Germany, this is a career vocational training you want to look into. The duration is 3 to 5 years, and whether full-time or the time site, that is whether full-time or part-time. The type of training is an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. And what do? They care for people of all ages in the area of nursing and care and geriatric care. In nursing techniques, they coordinate with treating patients with the doctor. They treat wounds, they carry out infusion, blood samples, they do examination, administer medically prescribed medications or injections to patients, and they prepare them for surgical procedures as well. So if you want to become a nurse, it's called the Pflegefachmann or Frau in Germany. This is a career you want to look into. Where do they find employment? They find employment in hospitals, specialist practices, or health centers, or in retirement homes, or nursing homes, or in short-term care facilities, or in outpatient care services. This is where they find employment. If you want to get into this, you must have a certificate. The minimum certificate you must have is your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss. That's your intermediate education qualification. Anything lower than this, you are not going to be accepted. Anything higher than this, yes, that's a plus. But anything lower than this certificate, you won't be accepted into this career path. So if you want to become a nurse, this is a career you want to look into. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training, and it is from 3 to 5 years, depending if you take it as full-time or part-time. So if you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. And don't forget, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you.